Franklin Electric is in a great position to capture those opportunities that we've identified for future needs of our customers. There's a big demand for water where there's no electricity. And so what we saw is an opportunity to develop an interface between solar panels and our pumping system. We see these pumps being applied in a number of remote locations throughout Africa, the Australian outback, as well as the southwestern United States.
The competitive advantages for using the Franklin solar-powered system are not only the ruggedness and the dependability of the drive itself, but the capacity of water that we're able to pump is far superior than to what else is on the market.
Our objective was to be best in class. The integrity of the enclosure, everything from the gauge of the sheet metal to withstand the environment, animals and people, so very rugged.
I think some of the applications that this product can be used does include some agricultural and irrigation applications, as well as a lot of livestock watering.
We're investing an enormous amount of money in terms of the field testing itself, going into remote places like Africa and Australia and getting good feedback from that. We will be a leader in the market for rugged, high-powered solar systems.
We're able to now marry our motor with that progressive cavity pump technology and go even deeper, up to 3,000 feet below the Earth's surface, to pump water out of coal seams, and so the gas can come to the surface and be used in energy.
And so when we cottoned on to the fact that we could rather view this as a water pumping exercise rather than a gas activity, it became clear to us that the technologies that we possess in the water pumping industry could be applied very successfully in accessing coal seam gas or coal bed methane.
It's really important for Franklin to be involved in the CSG industry because the industry is looking for better solutions to the problems they've got.
In the oil and gas business, it's not uncommon to go down a number of thousands of feet, and for that you need a big hammer. So that technology being available simply got applied to pumping water so that you can access coal seam gas. And that's it, the hammer is too big. We found a different hammer.
I believe the greatest advantage that we have is in footprint. The most significant thing that I noticed was you could hear the desert after our gear was installed. There was a significant change in the impact when we finished the whole installation. I think it was about 700 or 800 millimetres off the ground.
In Australia specifically, we find coal seam fields almost amongst houses and urban areas, and there the impact of noise reduction and visual surface disturbance we believe is going to make a significant contribution.
They're looking for a technology that answers their questions and solves their problems, and we're delivering it.
On the fuel side of the business, we also have our eye to the future. We're constantly looking at how we can develop new products to address their needs.
We spent countless hours talking to customers about what the feature set should be or what it could be. And those customers range from decision makers to installing technicians, right down to the person behind the counter in the convenience store.
So everybody has different needs, and we've tried to incorporate all those into new design.
Franklin Electric is absolutely committed to staying in the forefront of the industries in which we serve.